Hey friends, hope you're doing well and staying safe. So this is my Corolla Altis 2012 model. It's a 1.8 liter petrol, fully automatic, top of the line. So yeah, that's the car, and I'll give you a roundabout on the car some other day. But I think at this point in time, what I'm planning to do is one of the wipers on my car needs immediate attention, right? As you can probably notice here, so this particular wiper blade has totally stripped off from the blade. It's actually cut. So yeah, let me go ahead, take the wiper blade out of the car, and then go ahead and install this wiper blade rubber. This is how the parts come for Toyota. So basically the entire rubber need to be replaced on the entire arm. So yeah, ordered this online, and it's a OEM part which is common for Toyota and Lexus. Yeah, and a lot of these critical parts are made in Japan and sourced from there. So yeah, so this is OEM made in Japan, and yeah, price of one wiper blade rubber for the longer wiper is about 712 rupees. So yeah, let me go ahead get this blade out, and then start working on it. Okay, so blade is out. Okay friends, so the wiper blade is out. So I'm going to pull out this entire blade out of this arm, and then put the new rubber back, and then close it out. So I pulled it out this way. This was the top portion, and this is the bottom portion. So this is more thicker portion, so this is much thinner. So I'm going to pull out this particular blade from here, this way. So just be a bit gentle on the arm, so that you don't damage anything, right? So yeah, so the blade is out, so the arm is here. Just let's keep it back this way, because we got to insert this blade the same way after installing the new rubber. Okay, so now we'll need to take out the metal blades out of this. I think there are two of them. Let's check the rubber first, and then, so that we are going to put it back the same way. So that's a brand new one. Wow. Huh. So nice and soft. Amazing quality. There's some reason why people are fascinated about stuff made in Japan. So no doubt it's exactly the same one. So let's look at the thicker portion and the thinner portion. This is my thicker portion. So my thicker portion will be on this side, right? So let me take out this blade and put it back exactly the same way. Okay, without any mistakes. So yeah, it's a very easy DIY, friends. So if you go to a garage, probably you'll need to spend say 500 rupees, right? So something very easy, anyone can. Okay friends, we are done with installing those little blades inside the wiper, and then I have now put this back onto the car. So it's a brand new wiper blade now. So yeah, if not visible from this side, let me show you from the other angle. So it's a brand new wiper blade what has been installed. Yeah, so we are done now, and car is ready to go for few more years of driving in the lanes. Hey, thanks for watching, and let me know in case of any queries. Happy to answer. Take care of yourselves and stay safe. Thank you.